Every single day, the sun rises and sets like clockwork. But have you ever wondered what keeps this motion going without pause? It feels so normal that we rarely question it, yet something massive is happening beneath our feet right now. Day turns into night, and night turns back into day, over and over again. And somehow, we don't feel any movement at all, even though we're standing on a planet spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. So, why does Earth keep spinning nonstop without slowing down or stopping? What's actually keeping this giant planet in motion? Here's where it gets interesting. Nothing is actively pushing Earth to spin today. There's no engine, no force constantly driving it. The real reason goes all the way back to the birth of the planet itself. Billions of years ago, Earth formed from a swirling cloud of gas, dust, and rock, and that swirling motion gave it its original spin. And because of a fundamental rule of physics called inertia, that motion never just disappears. Objects in motion naturally keep moving unless something stops them. But what could stop something as big as Earth? That means Earth is essentially spinning in a near-frictionless environment, allowing it to keep rotating freely for billions of years. Think of it like a spinning top. On rough ground, it quickly slows down, but on a perfectly smooth surface, it would spin much longer. Space is that smooth surface for Earth. That's why we don't feel the motion. Everything around us, including the atmosphere and oceans, is moving along with the Earth at the same speed. But here's the surprising part. Earth is actually slowing down just very, very slowly. The main reason is the moon. Its gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating tides, and those tides act like a subtle brake on the planet's rotation. Over millions of years, this effect adds up. Days are getting slightly longer, but by only tiny fractions of a second. So small, in fact, that no human could ever notice it happening. And yet, this non-stop spinning is what gives us day and night, shapes our climate, and even controls how life evolved on this planet. It's a silent motion we never feel, but it defines every moment of our lives. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.